Welcome to the third letter of the Hebrew alphabet, the Gimmel. It has a numerical value of 3. Now let's take a look at the first book of the Bible, Genesis. In Hebrew, it's Bereshit. You'll notice it reads from right to left. Now you're looking at verses 1 through 4 of Genesis, but you don't see any numbers, just letters. Now, in the first letter you studied, the Aleph, that has the numeric value of 1. So it replaces the number 1. So you have verse Aleph. Then you have verse Bet, Vet, which replaces number 2. And today's letter, the Gimel, takes the place of letter 3. This lesson is found on page 12 of your Hebrew textbook, the Gimmel. You've got a test coming up, and it will come from the free flashcards. All you have to do is download them. Just click on the link at the bottom of this YouTube video. They're free. I'm Jim Becca. The Gimmel has the G sound as in girl. And like all Hebrew letters, you can add vowels to them and change the sound. Now let's review what we've learned. We started out with the first letter, the Aleph. Remember, it has no sound by itself. It needs a vowel. And in this case, you have the silent Aleph with the ah vowel underneath it. You only pronounce the ah sound when you see this letter and vowel. And in our last lesson, we had the bet with the b sound as in boy. And if you remove the dot or dagesh, you get the vet with the v sound as in victory. And remember, with all Hebrew letters and vowels, you pronounce the letter or consonant first and then the vowel second. In this example, we have the bet with the b and the e vowel. Together, this would be be. So what sound do you think this would make? Now, the sound of the letter is the v, as in victory. And the vowel with it is a single dot. And that's the E sound. So this would be V. Now remember, in your last lesson, I gave you your first Hebrew word, daddy, or father, Abba. Abba, father. Now let's look at the current letter, the Gimmel, with the G sound. Let's add a vowel to it. What sound does this letter and vowel together make? It's the Ga sound. Now there's another vowel with the same sound. This is also Ga. Okay, what about this one? It's the G with the E vowel, Gi. And how about this one? It's the G sound with the U vowel, Gu. Now what about this one from the last lesson? Ve. Now let's see if you can put this all together. Look at it a minute. The first letter is the B, and the vowel underneath it, E, and then the second letter is the G. So put it all together, big. And how about this one? G, ah. B. Gob. Okay, let's take a quiz. Take a look at these 4 sounds. Which one has the va sound? It can't be A because the aleph is silent and you only have the vowel sound eh. Can't be B because you have the g sound with the eh vowel. It can't be C because you have the b sound with the e vowel B. The answer is D. You have the vet with the v sound and the a vowel va. And remember, you have free flashcards you can download from the comments section.